Dr. Guardiola, I want to jump right into the risk factors of breast cancer, and if we can go over some of these. What are the risk factors that are associated with this type of cancer?
Yeah, so we have them here as obviously getting older. We know that, as I mentioned before, only less than 5% of breast cancer cases will be diagnosed before the age of 40. Genetic mutations. So this is another big question that arises all the time. Should everyone with breast cancer be genetically tested? And the answer to that is obviously no. By virtue of, thank God, only 5% of the cancers are usually genetically driven. The vast majority are not. So early menstrual periods, late or no pregnancy, that has to do with spending a longer life with estrogen-driven years. So every time that you get a pregnancy, you breastfed, you lessen the amount of estrogen your breast tissue is exposed to. So obviously late menopause will carry an estrogenic life a little bit longer. And then things like being physically active, obviously being obese, having dense breasts is also having associated as a risk factor.
What is the dense breast? So
dense breast is we currently have a category developed by the American College of Radiologists of trying to classify the breast based on mammogram findings in 4 categories. So the lesser the breast density is, means that it has more glandular tissue, more breast tissue, and it's easier to pick up abnormalities. The denser the breast gets, the more I would say soft tissue that is not breast herself has in there, and it's very difficult because you ended up seeing a shadow on the mammogram, and you cannot set things apart sometimes.
Now, we see things as birth control pills that contribute to higher risk.
Yes.
Family history of breast cancer.
Yes. So family history has statistically shown obviously to carry a risk. Some through genetics that we know, and some through other things that we do not know. So clear things like BRCA1 gene mutations, BRCA2 gene mutations, PALB2 mutations. These are known genetic risk factors, but sometimes you find families that carry breast cancer risk, and not necessarily we can detect a genetic test that can prove it.